No signs of freezes over the next week, that's for sure. Sunshine, scattered clouds. These clouds showing up here today because of a little extra humidity in the air. You probably felt some of the mugginess around. Temperatures statewide mostly in the 90s with a few exceptions, but here we are at 95. Although here's the higher dew points too. Yesterday, dew points in the 40s and 50s, and now we're in the 60s, which is when you start entering that muggy, sticky feel. Not terribly oppressive, that's the 70s, but here we are starting to feel the humidity again. That's because the wind direction shifted from being the east-northeast like yesterday now to the east-southeast, pulling in more moisture off of the Gulf, helping to pump up the humidity here locally. Now, if you don't like the humidity, there's some good news for you there. We'll notice a very, very, very subtle drying in the air over the coming days, so that by early next week, we're back to muggy, but we're borderline comfy. So that's going to mean that the air not so sticky like it is today. Today probably the more humid day of the next week. And that's going to result in some warmer nighttime lows tonight. We had some 60s just about everywhere here this morning. We think Austin starts tomorrow only in the 70s, so not quite the 60s. There'll be a few 60s in the hill country though, but a warmer start for you tomorrow morning. And then the nights get a little warmer still as we head into the weekend, 71 then 72, 71 being the average low temperature for this time of year in Austin. So we're seeing a few extra clouds around as a result of some of that extra humidity, even that tiniest little shower chance in our eastern counties, but those chances are less than 10% and everything just disappears into the evening hours. Then we take it overnight, some patches of low clouds in portions of the hill country to begin the day. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine will follow, and once more, a very tiny chance for a shower here Friday afternoon too. And again, those chances are less than 10% and almost exclusively in our eastern counties. So overnight lows tonight, 70, mostly clear, a light southeasterly wind. Your Friday, 97, pretty close to where we think we're going to end up here today. Mostly sunny, not completely sunny though. We'll have a few of those puffy clouds around. Southeast breeze, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then we head into the weekend and it's more of the same. Mostly sunny, a little hot for this time of year on Saturday. A few extra scattered clouds around here on Sunday. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. It's rinse and repeat as we head into next week with just a few subtle changes just to keep you on your toes. Mostly sunny Monday, 95. More of a mix of sun and clouds Tuesday, but still 95. And then a bit more sunshine Wednesday and Thursday, and still 95 degrees.